Yo, are we live? Yeah, I think we're live. Okay. Let me just hear myself. Okay, my audio is a bit low. Just switch it up a bit higher. Hello. Hi. I responded, bro Sriram. Can you hear me? Okay, cool. I'm just coding this, bro. This is my idea. Can you see? Wait. I don't know if the video feed is good enough on your side, but yeah, it's called Duck Hunt. So I've written the entire thing, the entire idea. So yeah, I'm just coding that. So okay, cool. So yeah, essentially what I'm doing is, if you can see in my idea here, I'm creating an 800 by 600 pixel screen, okay, and then I have some game logic implementations over here. So if you know Duck Hunt, is my audio good actually? Can you just here type in. Oh, okay. I'm streaming already because I mean usually I just wanted to. Oh, okay, thanks. Yeah, I'm streaming already because I just like I thought I could just show myself coding the entire thing together. So that's the only reason. Besides, I don't really care if I don't have any viewers. One viewer is also good enough for me. So yeah. Okay, I'm just turning down the music so that I can. You should. Okay, cool. Thanks. Actually, I should consider getting a second monitor so that I can chat to you and then be able to. Actually, I'll get my phone. I don't wanna clog up my desk. Okay. I'll turn on caffeine. Battery saver and caffeine. I can see you on my phone. See the chat at least. No, if I want to talk to you in chat, then I need to see, right? Anyways, I'll start coding. Wait, can you see my... Hold up. Yeah. Wait, can you see my... Yeah, you can. Okay. I'll turn this up a bit more. Yeah, sure, okay. So I'm creating Duck Hunt. So first of all, I'm using Pygame module. So I have to initialize the display. So the way they do it is pygame.display.init. Okay. So what this does is it registers into the computer that essentially, I have no idea what that means. That's okay. I will explain. So what the initializing does is basically it tries to find out, it tries to make the thing come on the screen. So I mean rather it makes the display come on the screen. Okay, so we need to remember to display quit. Okay, so this initialize a window or screen for display. Okay, so display the output screen, and here we need to put in which one? Pygame.display dot set mode. Okay, you would just be wasting your time. That's okay. What to do? And here size of this screen in pixels would be 800 by 600. I liked, yay, thanks bro. The function will create a display surface. The arguments passed in request for a display and the actual create and display will be the best possible match supported by the system. Your voice is lagging, bro. Hello. Hello. I think it might be my internet. Wait, yeah, bro. Be my internet. No, bro, I think it's on your side. Wait, yeah, bro. Be my internet. No, bro, I think it's on your side. No, bro, I think it's on your side. Okay, bro. Okay, let's try to just run this. So what you saw right there was basically the screen itself coming out like robotic voice. I think yeah, it's on your side because for me it's perfectly fine. Okay, cool. So now what we need to do is create a while loop. Okay, so why we do this is because we want the screen to be there forever. See, so now the game inside will be running here. Now if I try to close this, it won't close, so I have to Control C here and then it will close. Now I want to make sure that see, I need to check the button press. Draw, event, save and load images, manage the keyboard. Yes, key. This is what I want to see. True. Okay. pygame.key.name. Get the name of a key identifier. So what we need to do is, if pygame.get, so if we press Q on a keyboard, then it should stop, is what I want to do. Okay, how do I want to do this? How to know which key press occurred in Pygame? I think that's what we need to Google. You can key down event instead of looking at the keys written by key pressed, which gives you okay. You can get the events from Pygame and watch out for the key down event instead of looking at the keys returned by get pressed. What's happening with your code right now is that if your game is rendering at 30 FPS and you hold on the left arrow key for half a second, you are updating the location 15 times. To support continuous movement while a key is being held on, you would have to establish some sort of limitation, either based on a forced maximum frame rate or the game loop, or by counter, which only allows you to move every so many ticks of the loop. Okay. So what I want to do is just if Pygame okay, so gets the key press, because this game is mostly mouse pressed. And what does he do? Keys equals keys dot pygame.key.get pressed. Okay, pygame.get pressed, right? Is that get underscore pressed? Okay. Or actually I could just implement it directly here, or I think it's better here, keys, and then we want Q, right? So does it represent with a string? No, so looks like they are built in. Pygame.display.quit. Is that not it? Pygame.display.quit, isn't that display.update, display.flip? We need to quit the window. Yeah, correct. Okay, so let's go. Q key Pygame. K_Q. I see. K underscore Q. Is that it? Oh, shit. Wait, so what they're saying is use it this way, right? I'm not really confident. I see, okay. If Pygame, oh, they are using event itself. I see. So I don't need this code, it's irrelevant. So what I need to do is for event, okay, let's just write this code outside. For event in Pygame dot event dot get, right? Okay, now if event dot type is Pygame dot k underscore, yes, very nice, this is exactly what I wanted. Then Pygame dot display dot quit. Okay, so we just copy this code and then paste it here. Oops. So why I am doing this is because if we run the game now and press Q, nothing is happening. Oh no. Okay, let me just search how to quit a game window in Pygame. I see, okay, so they're just initializing it differently. Running equals true. Is there a different one? Okay, got it. So running equals true if event.type equals pygame.quit, right? Yes. Then running equals false. I see. So that makes sense. So this has to be here. I think we can take this out. Oops. So we'll take this line of code out because it's irrelevant if we were to keep it there, I think. This just helps with the uninitialization of the game window. Okay, now what we need to do is take this here, Control S, and let's go. So what else we need to do is, actually what he suggests is pygame.quit. I don't think I'm running into any such errors. What he also did was set caption equals. This sets the display. Sriram, no chatting. This sets the display size. I'm commenting so much because when I do look back on my code, I don't have to start dying. Being this. Now, what am I trying to look at? This captions the game window. Let's call it Duck Hunt. Okay, got it? Let's go. Pygame is so nice, bro. I should work on another project. Hey, we got Duck Hunt. Anybody seeing? Oh, I'm the viewer. Right, let me move on. Yeah, I think it's better now. Is my audio better? Is my audio better? Ah! Is my audio better? Ah! Okay. Cool. So we have got that ready. Okay. So we have got that ready. Okay. Now let's just close this. Now what we need to do is find out frame rate in Pygame, because we don't want our computer to start excuse me, dying. Okay, so let's just create another. This initializes the frame rate. Okay, he's saying FPS is equal to 30. Okay, so FPS equals 30, or maybe he has a reason why he did that. FPS equals 30. Okay, yeah, let it be 30 seconds, 30 frames per second. If you want, then I can change the code to make it 60, but this is just Duck Hunt tool. FPS clock equals pygame dot time dot clock. Does that even exist? So he's importing system also. Import pygame comma sys from pygame dot locals, import everything. So in 30 frames per second you need to have 30 different images, right, appear in 1 single second. So in 10 seconds it'll be 300 frames, in 1000 in 1 minute it'll be 18,000 frames, right? 300 times 60. No wait, 300 times 6, so 1800. I'm sorry. Now he's saying pygame.time.clock, an object, can help us to make sure our program runs at a certain maximum frames per second. This clock object will ensure that our game programs don't run too fast by putting in small pauses on each iteration of the game loop. If we did not have these pauses, our game would run as fast as the computer could run it. This is often too fast for the player, and as computers get faster, they would run the game faster also. A call to the tick method of a clock object in the game loop can make sure the game runs at the same speed no matter how fast a computer runs it. The clock object is created on line 7 of the cat animation.py program. Okay. Now where does he call the FPS clock? FPS clock.tick. The clock object's tick method should be called at the very end of the game loop after the display update. The length of the pause is calculated based on how long since previous call. Okay, it is on the line 47 in the last instruction. I need to know is the tick method. All you need to know is that you should call the tick method once per iteration through the game loop at the end of the loop. Usually this is right after the call to the pygame display update. I see. So let's just go here. FPS clock dot tick. That's it, right? You need to put in FPS. Built-in function has no attribute in line 26. Okay. Wait, isn't it .pygame.tick or something? Okay, let's just pygame.display.update. Perhaps that might have to do something with it. Wait. Take pygame. Did they change it? Oh, it's pygame.time.getTicks. Did they change it in the new? I don't understand. I don't understand. GetTicks. Okay, let's just review the documentation. This gets the time in milliseconds, but we need to reset it every time, right? Return the number of milliseconds instead. No, we don't want to pause it, we don't want to delay it. Creates a new clock object that can be used to track the amount of time. Frame rate equals 0. So I don't want to do this. I want directly pygame.time.clock.tick. I see, that's how you do it. Okay, so fps equals 30. Pygame.time.clock.tick. Okay. So I could just replace this with pygame.clock.tick, right? Is that how you write it? Pygame.time, I'm sorry, time, then clock, then tick, and let's write frames equals 30. Let's just do that, and then we'll just call in the frames here. Hopefully, the hell, bro. Oh wait, pygame display. Okay, that's stupid, but that's an easy fix. Bro, search this shit in Stack Overflow. Built-in function or method object has no attribute. I understand, but did they change it somehow? I don't get it. pygame.time.clock.tick. Yeah, he's written the same shit. The documentation, though perfectly standard, could be a little confusing. Even though they say it right, clock.tick, that doesn't mean it's a standard method of the class, static method of the class. You call it on an instance. Wait, does that actually work? It's a simpler solution. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. Sorry. I'll take it. So they do ask you to call it on instance like we had seen before, which is weird. Okay, so for today we have done, let's set the background image also, okay? Because yeah, December Okay. Wait, give me 1 sec. You guys should be able to see me now. Hold on. Yeah, 1 sec. Okay. 1 sec. Numero uno. Initialize the Pygame window. Numero 2. Get the quit option working. Numero 3. Get the frame rate working. Numero 4. Work on the game loop. Numero 5. Set the background image. These are the tasks we need to do for today. One second. So, as you can see, initialize the Pygame window, get the quit option working, get the frame rate working, work on the game, look at the background image. We need to set the background image finally. So we need to work on that. Okay, so let's focus on that. Now we can go back to the documentation and look for image. I have a very nice image. Pygame.image.load underscore basic. I wonder if this will load a GIF, because that's what I want. So let's check this out. In some cases, it will need to notify external GIF. Okay, I see. So load file name surface, load file object, load an image from a file source. You can pass either a file name or a Python file like object. I see. Now I want file name. So this should be done after we finish the image. I mean, finish the surface. So loads the image background. I got this off of Google, so I don't know. Pygame.image.load. Now we need file name. What is the name of the file? bettercity.gif. Is it in string? I suspect it is. bettercity.gif. Please work. Why? Is it slash? Should I mention that? Is it dot slash? Load images into Pygame. Alright, this is my last task for today and I'm done. Install Pygame. Oh wait, I should store it somewhere. Image equals Pygame. He's blitting it into the screen. Isn't it better city? Look at this dude, this looks so nice. It's by Moertel. And okay, let's just find the file path. So I know it's in documents, Python projects, duck hunt, properties, copy, select all, copy. So if we paste it here, will it work is the question. Slash bettercity.gif. Why can't you open the image, bro? Why? Why? So he does it this way. Wait, it's pretty much just display equals, and then just doing that. Image equals pygame or image.load. Wait, why is there an R here? Nani? Okay, wait. So he is blitting. So let's just do that. Okay. Mine is just display. There's a difference. Wait. Whoa. Okay. Display underscore surface. I realized now that I shouldn't have done that. Jeez. Because it's display.blit. Yes, I mean pygame.display. Now image is same. Why though? Copy relative path. Could you at least get it now? But it doesn't actually work. Why doesn't the GIF image work though? Load GIF images. First we need to find that out. IAM does natively need GIF image for that. Here's a tutorial for spread. Chalega, okay, we don't need GIF images. Resize image pygame. How to change an image size in Python. Pygame. Oh wait, documentation. Resize to a new resolution. Pygame.transform scale. Surface width height. I see. No, we don't want it here. We want it Wait, can I change it automatically? Transform.scale. Should I store it into a new image and like change the identifier? Let's see. So image and then width and height. So let's find out what's the actual width and height of this. Wait, we were in files, properties, image, 540 by 440. $540 times 2 is 1080. 1080 by 440 is 880. Let's see if it does what I think it does. Bruh, did I save it? And the what? Oh wait, transform at scale 2x. I think that's what I need. Scale 2x. And then let's just load an image here. Oh wait, I think I know the reason why. The image is equal to, and then, right? Hear me out. Oh. Yeah, we need it. Let's go. So ideally, if we transform or scale this, okay, we provide the original image here. Let's change it to, what's 540 times 1.5? Calculator. 540 into 1.5. So 810 and then 440 into 1.5. What the? 440 into 1.660. Okay, save this and let's run. Oh, that looks so pretty. Guys, let's go. Tick. Bang. Let's go. So, wait. We have achieved. Let me add a new window source here, window capture. Is it Duck Hunt? Yeah, let's go. Oh, wait, we need to go here. How do I wait? That was my thumbnail. But yeah, we finished this entire thing today. So here you go. So these are the lines of code that I've written for it. Hold up, let me just. It's 34 lines of code, but I think it's worth it. You know, it's unfortunate that we can't get it to run as a GIF because the original, or a GIF, or however. Because there's an airport here, and then this thing works, and then this bird works. So I mean, that's pretty unfortunate. So what can we do? So we finished all of December 5th's goals, which I've written on here. So yeah. If you did watch the stream, let me check if somebody's written some comments. Nobody's there. Okay, never mind. So if you watched this entire stream, then thanks for watching. But I gotta go now and sleep or study. I don't know. So see you. Peace.